Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka and welcome back to my channel Priyanka's Time Files. So friend, we all should have exercise in our daily routine. So today I will show you some easy warm up exercise for the beginners. So let's get started. So friends, try this easy warm up exercise and I will show you some full body workout exercise in my next video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर.